Family budget. What it is and how it helps you to have good financial health. Reinvent your money. Welcome to Economic Headlines. Today, we'll explore one of the most crucial tools for achieving good financial health, the family budget. If you often feel like money slips through your fingers or you struggle to save despite your best efforts, this video is for you. Many of us feel lost when it comes to managing our personal finances. Have you ever considered using a family budget? It's a powerful way to gain control over your financial life and achieve peace of mind. Think about it. Successful organizations, from municipalities to multinational corporations, operate with a budget. If it works for them, why shouldn't it work for your family finances? Stay tuned to learn how to create and use a family budget effectively. According to the RA, a budget is a calculated amount of money to cover daily life expenses. This includes everyday costs and can even extend to special plans, like a dream vacation. Having a clear reason or goal can make budgeting more meaningful. To put it simply, a family budget is a document where you record your family's income and expenses. Ideally, this should be done monthly, but you can adjust the frequency as needed. This practice provides clarity and foresight for future expenses, reducing financial stress. By maintaining a family budget, you gain control, security, and peace of mind. Discussing financial planning with friends or family, you'll realize many people neglect managing their household finances. This often leads to stagnation or worsening financial health. Just like physical health, financial health requires proactive effort. Ignoring your finances won't keep them stable. They're likely to deteriorate. To improve your financial situation, you must change your approach and start managing your budget. Creating a budget can significantly enhance your financial awareness. You'll know exactly where your money goes, eliminating that feeling of financial chaos. This clarity acts like a diagnosis, pinpointing areas that need attention. With a clear understanding of your finances, you can plan better and avoid surprises like annual insurance renewals or holiday expenses. This newfound order brings unparalleled tranquility, allowing you to direct your financial life confidently. Owning your financial decisions enables you to set and achieve future goals. You can save for your children's education, pay off debts early, fulfill dreams like family vacations, or plan significant purchases. Budgeting also helps you save for long-term goals like retirement. Now that you understand the importance of a family budget, let's create one in just 5 minutes. If numbers aren't your strong suit, don't worry. The key is to start, even if it's not perfect. A basic budget is better than none. Step 1. List your monthly income. Include annual earnings like tax refunds, or periodic income like dividends or extra payments. This step should be quick, taking only a few minutes. Step 2. List your expenses, starting with fixed costs like rent or mortgage. Estimate variable expenses like groceries and utilities. Don't forget to allocate for annual costs like insurance. This initial budget will be refined over time. With your first budget in hand, you can start making informed financial decisions. Use tools like Excel sheets, manual records, or budgeting apps to track your income and expenses monthly. The method doesn't matter as much as the consistency. Now that you have a basic budget, you can spot areas to save. Small changes like switching phone providers or cutting back on dining out can add up over time. This conscious effort will drive you towards your larger financial goals. Lastly, share your progress in the comments and take action immediately. Remember, a small step in the right direction is better than endless planning. Start your family budget today and witness the positive changes in your financial health.